if your followers or other people on Threads platform are unable to share your media files such as image and photos by reposting them on their accounts, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable media reuse on your Threads account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. By the fact that no one can repost your files, it means you disabled media reuse feature. To enable it, go to your Threads account on your app and then tap on your profile icon once you have logged in. Go to settings by tapping on these two lines and then head down to more settings. Here, look for this second option, media, and here go to media reuse. You can see this feature is currently off, and to enable it, just toggle it on. You are told when this is on, others can reuse your photos and videos in their posts. So that's how you can enable media reuse on your Threads account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.